Hey Lori, it's Jen. Obviously, I'm on the screen. Haha. Anyway, um, it's like I'm leaving a voicemail or something. So on this, it's a little confusing because you can like go in the courses this way and see all the things that are available in there. But if you go up to your name, which I always get lost on this website, I actually just had to redo this video because I was lost before. But if you go to teacher dashboard, this is where you can have your different classes. So if you just go to this, you can add a new class, and that's how you can level your kids if you want. Um, and I think, if I remember correctly, I think that I had to invite them and then get them all in and then do all the assignments. So you might want to make like a list of what you want to assign them and wait until they all get in, because I think they had to accept their invitation before I was able to assign anything. So like this group was my coyotes, they were my high flyers. So on their assignments, I was doing fractions with them earlier. So I assigned all those things. So you can, let's see, to assign different things, you just go to assign. There's all your different topics. And then you just click on what you want to assign and assign it. But like, let's say we want to do area and perimeter. That's something that all the kids are working on. So I'm going to click that I want them to do that. And I'm going to assign those 7 tasks, because under each one, it has all the different practice problems and stuff. So I assign the 7. And then here's where you can kind of pick which group, which classes that you want it in. So if you want multiple different classes, or if you want everyone, you can do it that way. If I just want these kids to do it, then I'll have them do it that way. And then you can also pick by student. So say you just want one student to do it or whatever, you can go there. And then put a due date, which I'm going to put next week, by the end of the week. And then, oh, that's kind of cool too. You can do the same question set for all students or different. So I don't know. I guess I'm going to do the same for this one. Sometimes when they were working right next to each other, I would have them do different ones just so they weren't all copying each other's. But sometimes it's good to have them the same, because then they can work together too. So whatever, it's kind of however you want to do it. And then once you get back in here, you can kind of look at their progress. So, well, that's not where I wanted to go. Oh. I guess I didn't even know that existed. I guess going back to their assignments, there's their scores. That's what I was looking for. So then it kind of gives this whole, it lays out all the assignments that you just did and when they're due. And then it'll tell you how they're doing on everything, which is kind of cool. So I don't know. That's just a little bit of an overview, because it's kind of a lot. And then managing it, you can go through I think this is where all the assignments were. Yeah, these are all the assignments that I've done throughout the year, that you can manage it. So, gosh, now that I'm on here, I think I might do more of this Khan Academy stuff too, even though my kids aren't thrilled about it. But it is good. It's good stuff. Okay, hope this helps. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.